Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery. Removal. Loosen the captive P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the service cover to the base enclosure. Lift the rear edge of the service cover to disengage the retention clips and remove. Replacement. Tow the tabs on the front edge of the service cover into the slots in the base enclosure and lower the service cover into position. Apply pressure to the edges of the service cover to engage the retention clips. Tighten the captive P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the service cover to the base enclosure.